Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Arc One welding lens is probably one of the most important safety investments you can make as a welder, protecting your eyes from harmful UV and IR radiation, and ensuring you can see your work clearly and comfortably, even during long hours of intense welding. This in-depth review will cover everything you need to know about this lens, from its clarity and shade range to its durability and comfort features, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your welding needs. Number 5. Tefuawe Welding Lens. Experience the future of welding with our advanced lens technology. It's designed for superior clarity and protection, enhancing your welding performance. At only 0.19 inches thin, it fits seamlessly into all standard 2x4-14-inch welding hoods. Enjoy a comfortable and unobstructed view. It's perfect for low-amp TIG welding, with a minimum rating of 5 amps. Say goodbye to flickering and hello to consistent, clear vision. Advanced solar panels and arc sensors provide a more consistent welding experience, extending its lifespan. It's built to withstand the heat and demands of industrial use. Our exclusive optic system ensures a stable view of the arc, regardless of the application or environment. Enjoy high-definition viewing for precision and superior welds. Experience a brighter, more natural view with our True Color Lens technology. It's designed to reduce eye strain and increase productivity. It comes with a 1-year worry-free warranty, and our friendly, 24/7 lifetime customer service is always available to assist you. What we like. It offers an ultra-clear view, even with low amps TIG welding. Its durable housing ensures longevity, reducing lens failures. If you need a lens that can handle low-amp TIG welding and provides a crystal-clear view, this is the one for you. What people say. Day 1 of using this lens, and it is the best lens I have used so far in my 8 years of welding. It's so clear and crisp that you can see everything in the light state and dark while welding, every little detail. I'm a union pipe fitter and weld for a living. Been using this lens in a shade 10 for moderate, 75 to 180 amps, pipe welding. It has been fantastic, just as clear as my Lincoln lens. I haven't really seen the blue color, it's more of an HD true sight color IMO. When I first tested it, the clarity of the lens amazed me, way better than other brands I've been welding with. Number 4. ArcOne S240 DUO Welding Filter. Experience the future of welding with the ArcOne S240 DUO. It offers superior clarity and protection, enhancing your welding experience. It boasts 2 independent sensors for unparalleled accuracy and responsiveness. This ensures a consistent, clear view of your work. Enjoy a crystal-clear view with its high-definition technology. The large viewing area provides ample space for precise welding. It switches between light and dark states in just 0.5 milliseconds. This ensures seamless transitions and protects your eyes. It's designed to withstand harsh environments. Its water and dust resistance ensures long-lasting performance. The delay between dark and light states is a mere 0.2 seconds. This makes for a comfortable and efficient welding process. What we like. This lens boasts high definition and a large viewing area for superior clarity. The incredibly fast switching speed ensures smooth transitions. If you prioritize a crystal clear, wide view and lightning-fast transitions, this is the perfect choice. Number 3. ArcOne T240-10 Welding Filter. This is the ArcOne T240-10, a horizontal auto-darkening filter designed for welders who demand quality and value. It's economical and perfect for general use. Experience exceptional clarity with its large viewing area of 5.25 inches. It ensures you have a clear view of your work, reducing eye strain. It boasts 2 independent sensors for precise and consistent darkening. This ensures reliable protection in any welding environment. With a light state of 3 and a dark state of 10.5, it provides optimal protection for your eyes. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. It's compact and lightweight, measuring just 2x4-14 by 0.2 inches. This makes it easy to handle and integrate into your existing welding helmet. Upgrade your welding experience with the ArcOne T240-10. It's the perfect blend of performance, protection, and affordability. What we like. It's an economical option without compromising on quality, featuring dual sensors for reliable performance. It's ideal for general-purpose welding. If you're looking for a budget-friendly lens with reliable performance, this is a great option. What people say. For my home use, I revived an old fiber metal Pipeline helmet by inserting this filter into it, and I was amazed how easily it worked by comparison. There are no settings to get wrong. You just use it, and it becomes very second nature. I was never flashed. Not even once. Lens fared well against 2800-degree heat of a glass furnace. My high-heat fiber metal hood has a large indent in it due to the heat. Lens still works fine, even though it took some damage. The darkening transition is instant, and if the arc stops, I immediately see where my bead is to restart from the right spot. Shade 10 is enough for welding stick up to 532 and 160A. Number 2. ArcOne S240-10 Welding Filter. Experience the future of welding with the ArcOne S240-10. It's designed for superior clarity and protection, making your work safer and easier. This filter boasts 2 independent sensors for unparalleled accuracy and a crystal clear view of your weld. Enjoy precise control and enhanced visibility. With its large 5.25 square inch viewing area, it provides a wide, unobstructed view of your work. This maximizes your productivity and reduces eye strain. It switches from light to dark in just 0.5 milliseconds, ensuring seamless transitions and optimal protection. This responsiveness is crucial for efficient welding. It's built to withstand harsh environments. Its water and dust resistance ensures long-lasting performance, even in challenging conditions. The delay from dark to light state is only 0.2 seconds, making it incredibly smooth and comfortable to use. This minimizes any disruption to your workflow. What we like. This lens provides a high-definition, large viewing area for superior clarity. The fast switching speed ensures smooth transitions between light and dark states. If you value a clear, wide view and quick transitions, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Great for welding FCAW and SMAW. Best lens by far for auto darkening. I'm a travel welder, and when I'm not using my fixed shade, this is what I go to. TIG or stick. It does them both, no needing so swap lenses, super clear and a true view. Let me first say that I have a Speedglass 9100XX, an ArcOne tradesman, used to have a Jackson TrueSight, have nearly 20 vintage welding filter plates, and nearly every conceivable glass gold filter in the welding industry, and with that said, I have to say the optics of this lens is super sharp and the color is great, second only to my Speedglass. I love this little lens, it's super high quality. This is a perfect shade 10 too, not annoyingly bright but bright enough to see the joint line and the weld tie-in. What a great filter, coming from a guy who has seen it all, I'm very impressed. Number 1. ArcOne SS240 Welding Filter. Experience the future of welding with the ArcOne SS240. It's designed for superior clarity and protection, making your work easier and safer. It boasts 2 independent sensors for unparalleled accuracy and responsiveness. This ensures consistent, reliable performance in any welding environment. With its large 5.25 square inch viewing area, it provides an expansive, clear view of your work. Enjoy superior visibility and precision. It switches between light and dark states in just 0.5 milliseconds. This ensures seamless transitions and uninterrupted workflow. It's water and dust resistant, built to withstand the rigors of any job site. It's a reliable and durable tool you can count on. It offers adjustable dark to light state delay settings of 0.1 and 2 seconds. You can customize it to perfectly match your welding style. What we like. It offers a large viewing area and incredibly fast switching speeds for optimal visibility. The adjustable delay allows for customized settings. If you need a lens with a large viewing area, quick transitions, and customizable settings, this is the one for you. What people say. It fits my Huntsman 430p flip-up hood perfect and works great out of the box. It's clear and adjusts very well. Works for any arc welding, but this lens doesn't cut out when TIG welding like the others, and it's super clear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.